Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some cute and fun summer DIYs. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using 3 of these Dollar Tree wood planks. I'm going to make a large sign, so I'll be using some popsicle sticks to glue these together. I decided to paint this like an ombre type, so I am using 4 different colors. I'm using a white, a light blue, a darker blue, and black. And look how beautiful this turned out. I did mess up a couple of times here and there, but I did manage to fix it. Now I will be adding the word beach. I recently found this sign at the Dollar Tree. They have this one that says beach, they have one that says home and relax, but for this one I will be using the word beach. I am going to remove the little hooks and then use hot glue to glue this on the sign. To finish it off, I will be adding this little wood fish that I also got at the Dollar Tree. Look how beautiful this is. And that is it. Look how beautiful this beach sign turned out. This next project is the easiest of them all. From Dollar Tree, I picked up this little cute basket. And look how cute this is. They did have 2 different ones. They had this one and then they had other one that had like a twine rope at the top. But I like this one. I also grabbed these little stars. I got them from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to add one to the corner. And that is it. And look how cute this little tray or little basket turned out. For my next project, I will be using this sign that I got from the Dollar Tree a while back. I'm actually reusing this. Dollar Tree does carry different signs that you can use instead. And this home sign, I will be removing the little hooks, gluing this like on the side, and then I will be using one of these Dollar Tree anchors that this anchor has this little hanger. I'm going to just take it apart and wrap it around the anchor, and that is it. And that is it. Look how beautiful this sign turned out. It was so quick and easy to do. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree jar. Now I am going to remove the handle part. Then I'm going to paint like the lower bottom using the same paint I used for my first project. I actually just used whatever was left over. To decorate it a little more, I added some twine to the top. And that is it for this cute little planter. I will be using 2 of these Dollar Tree wood decor signs. I'm going to make a large sign, so I will be using some popsicle sticks to glue them to the back. I was going to paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax, but then I decided to use the Waverly chalk paint in the color Steel. It's like a light gray, so I decided to go with this. I did add a little bit of water. To cover the holes, I will be using some of these bamboo sticks that I got from Amazon. I'll have the link down in the description box in case you want to check them out. I am going to paint them using the Waverly Antique Wax. To decorate my sign, I will be using these little boat hooks that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the back, the little hook it has on the back, and then I'm going to paint them using the Waverly Antique Wax. I'm going to glue the little boats at the bottom, and I do recommend you using wood glue in case you want to hang something heavy. I only use hot glue. Now for the top, I will be using this home sign that I got from the Dollar Tree, which I feel like this one perfect. Now Dollar Tree does have this one that has home. There's one that's relax and beach, but I'm using this one that says home. To decorate this a little more, I will be adding one of these stars to the O. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For the next project, I will be using one of these Dollar Tree wood pieces, and I'm going to paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax. Then I'm going to add this Dollar Tree Relax sign. I will be removing the little hooks and then just add it to the little wood plank. And that is it. Now I did decorate this a little more and added a star to the A. For my next project, I will be using one of these wood fish. Look how beautiful these are. Now these are new to Dollar Tree. I found this one in this wood color, and I found a white one, which I already used in my previous video, which I'll have the link to that down in the description box in case you want to check it out. Now I'm going to also use a piece of this wood plank from the Dollar Tree. I cut it in half and then I painted it using the Waverly chalk paint in the color Steel. Not Steel. Elephant. I'm going to decorate this with some jute twine, just a little more, and add a bow. After that, I will be just gluing this to the wood piece for this to be a countertop, and I decided to use a Dollar Tree home wood sign that I painted white. For my next project, I will be doing a planter using this Dollar Tree wood box that I painted using the Waverly chalk paint in the color Elephant. All I did is just decorate it with one of the little stars that I got from the Dollar Tree pack. And for the greenery, I'm using this one, which is new to Dollar Tree. I did use 4 picks. For my next project, I will be using this tile that I got from Hobby Lobby. Now, this is from the Christmas season, but I got it after, so I got it for like $1. Now, I'm going to paint it using the same color, the Waverly chalk paint in the color Steel. To decorate this sign, I will be using this anchor that I got from the Dollar Tree. I removed the jute twine and then I added a thinner one to wrap it around the anchor. Now, I was going to just use this and put it on the center, but instead I decided to use these Dollar Tree wood letters and use the word ahoy, which I painted them using the Waverly antique wax. Then I added the words on the side, and on the other side I added the anchor. And that is it for this ahoy sign. Look how beautiful this turned out. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.